Hey guys, today I want to show you something I use all the time for my car and home. A powerful cordless vacuum that does more than just clean. Wow! Comes with the beautiful case. Look at this bag. Nice. So let's check it out what comes inside the case. So inside the case comes with the batteries. So comes with 2 batteries. Look at this. 21V lithium batteries, super powerful. The filters. And the most important, the handless vacuum. Another filter here inside. So guys, look at this. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types. It's actually 7 types. It's amazing. You have a lot of options to clean. It's very good. And we have the charger, battery charger. So it's wireless, lightweight, and very easy to use. It has a strong suction, attaches to many surfaces, and even comes with multiple tools and batteries for long cleaning sections. Just press the button and you're ready to start. It comes with 3 speeds. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Very strong. You can use the creasive tool for dive gaps, the brush tool for pads, or other nozzles, depending on the mess. You have 6 types, so you can clean anywhere. And you can use for blow with these types. Just put in the other side and you can blow. Nice. This vacuum is perfect for cars, seats, car seats, floor, mates, keyboards, sofas, even those hard spots your big vacuum can reach. What I love about this vacuum is the power and freedom. No cables, no limits. Plus, the brushless motor means strong suction every time. So, dust, crumbs and pet hair are gone fast. Empty the dust cup and wash the filter FB cleans. Just take off the filter, you can clean and keeps everything working great. Like that. If you want a powerful, cordless and versatile cleaning tool, this ZARIMI vacuum is worth checking it out. Let me know in the comments what you clean first.